everyone, we're at beginning of week 5, which means that this is a full month since my surgery. So I'm still in a compression. There were some updates that I wanted to give you. So I'm still in a compression. I'm still for the most part falling asleep on my back with the mastectomy pillow in my arms, but I do in the middle of the night find myself like turning from side to side, and I can do it. It doesn't, maybe a little bit of discomfort where the drains used to be, but for the most part it's fine. I did shave under my arms. Well, first I shaved my legs, which I was very happy about, but I didn't do this in the water because I would have been in the shower for too long. So I did it outside of the shower. I used the co-wash from Rockstyle and I put that on my legs. It spreads really well, and it also it's just a really good shaving cream alternative. It's for curly hair, so if you have curly hair, that's what it's for, but I use it when I was outside of the shower because it stays in place. When I'm inside of the shower, I use a turmeric body scrub from Rockstyle because it exfoliates while you shave. Well, it exfoliates first and then you shave. But because I was doing it outside the shower, I just wanted something that would stay in place better, and we don't have shaving cream here, so that's what I used. And it was really great. It probably took me about a half hour to shave my legs because my legs were so hairy. They looked like my husband's legs because I hadn't shaved my legs in over a month. So I did that yesterday for the first time. So this is literally the start of 5 weeks. It's the start of 1 month. So it is 1 month. Okay, so then I shaved. I've been going in the pool. I still haven't gone all the way under because I'm a little nervous about just sitting there with it wet. So that's kind of my biggest hang up. And then I started, when I went in the shower yesterday after being in the pool, I shaved under my arms, and I didn't get everything because it was just a lot of hair. And it was like sitting like here, like right where my scar is, and I was like getting kind of freaked out by it. And I was like, I'm in the shower for too long at this point, and the hair was like so long that it was like you couldn't just do one swipe. So because I waited so long to shave, I feel like it kind of went against me, but I wouldn't shave sooner. I was just very scared about it. My scar strip should be coming in like today. I'm still putting the SPF, like when I go outside, I put the SPF right on my scars, but once I have the scar strips, I don't think I need to put the SPF on, and I'll show you guys that once we have that. I'm trying to think if there were any other like big updates. I feel like happier. Like I feel like how I felt when the drains first came out before I started getting fluid. I definitely have some fluids. I'll probably have to get drained again, which will be 3 times getting drained. And I think my next doctor's appointment might fall in this video, or it might be in my next video. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's going to be in this video or the next video. But anyway, I wanted to talk about the scar massage because I think that that's like really huge. So the scar massage is you take Aquaphor. I do this, I shower every day now, and every day I get myself really dry, and then I apply this to my hands. You might think that you can do this, but it's easier to do opposite hand to that side. And I really focus on over here because over here it's very like tight, and you can massage more in than you think. So just pretend, I'm not showing you guys my scars. If you guys want to see what my scars look like, you can go on the internet. There's tons of pictures of people who get aesthetic flat closures, and I'm so thankful for them for showing what their scars look like, because that gave me the strength to do this. Because they were so vulnerable, I'm just not there yet. I don't feel like I'm comfortable doing that yet. I'm still in the healing process, but you don't start doing a scar massage until the doctor tells you you can. And I'm going to be doing this for a week before, so I've been doing it for a week. But basically, as soon as I get my scar strips in, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm just going to put my scar strips on it. I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm wrapped up basically 24/7 with the exception of when I'm in the pool or in the shower, and probably total that's like 3 hours. Maybe 3 hours a day. I'm not wrapped, so again I'm double wrapped. Okay, so you're gonna put the ointment on your hands. You're gonna do this when you're clean. That's when I like to do it. I do it once a day, and you literally just rub like as far in as you can. Like actually, I think my things are here. So you want to press it as far as you can and just rub in circular motions, and like it doesn't hurt. It feels like interesting. It doesn't hurt at all. And then my scars go up over here, and then this is where I feel like I'm really tight. And then you would do the entire incision, and then you do the entire incision on the other side, and you literally like just need like 2 or 3 fingers, and you just massage like pretend you're like a masseuse and you just massage. I also go a little bit above the incision and I go a little bit below the the stitches. My stitches were dissolvable, so you can't even see them, and everything's like lightening already, so it's been pretty good. And again, we're at 1 month, so really all good things. I also put it and massaged where my drains were, my drains that were in the side, because I don't know, I just thought I should do that. And whenever I do it on my left side, I think I get like the most pain out of anything, and that's when I'm massaging where my drain hole was on the left side. But I do the same exact thing. I just take my 2 fingers and I don't even know where it is right now, here, and I just massage it. In an earlier video, like one of my first ones, I said I was scared to shave under my arms because my drains were right there. My drain hole is here, but the drains came up. They were inside my body, but they were up here, and that's why I didn't want to shave that area. Just wanted to clarify that. So those are basically my updates right now. I'm feeling really good. I haven't like left the house except for to go to doctor's appointments or like food shopping with my husband where he carries everything. But I'm basically clear to do whatever I want to do at this point. I'm still doing stretches, and the other day I was doing this and I was like, oh, it feels a little tight over here. And I just kind of focus on doing that now, because I'm like, I don't want to be tight. I don't want to feel stuck. And so it doesn't hurt, it just feels tight. And so I just kind of want to loosen that up as much as I possibly can. I'm pretty sure I'm cleared to work out full, but I'm just scared to start that right now since I am still a little bit tight in some areas. So my next doctor's appointment, again, might be in this video, might be in next video, I'm not sure. I'll let you know if I can get like super clearance, because he already said I can do whatever I want, but I'm just a little nervous about it. So those are my updates. I feel really great. I can basically do whatever. I got my dog out of the car the other day on a leash and it was fine, and I emptied the dishwasher, and so been doing laundry, been folding laundry, so I have been back into the swing of life. And again, we're at 1 month, so 4 weeks. I thought it was going to be like 2 weeks, but unfortunately I had that fluid and it just kind of freaked me out. So I'm in better spirits, I'm feeling good. That's my update. Again, if you want to see the stretches that I got from Sloan Kettering, I do all those in last week's video, so I'll have that linked. But besides that, just try to rest as much as possible, and also try to be active. Not really. Do stretches. When you're told you can do the stretches, because you don't want to heal in a way that's like tight or uncomfortable. So like I said, like just doing this and like doing this, my arm circles. You just want to do that, and you want to do it about 3 times a day. So those are my updates for now. Once I get the scar strips, I'm going to show you guys how those are used as well. I'll probably do it on my husband's scar that he has on his back from his 2 back surgeries, because again, I'm just not ready to show my scars. I don't know if I'll ever be ready, but right now I'm just not ready. So I'll show you how to apply it to his scars instead of my scars, because his is just a small little thing on his back. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so this is the same day as before when I was talking about whatever, in this clip, it's the same thing. So we're at week 5. I was just rewatching week 1 of my video because I have to edit it, get it up. And I said, me and my husband both said there was a lot of blood everywhere that I had to wash off. Just realized the last time I went to the doctor to get drained, so it was the second time I got drained, he had put rubbing alcohol on me or some kind of antiseptic before he put the needle in to drain me. And that looks like blood. That's what we thought it was. I did not have blood all over me. So I just want to correct that from week 1. If you watch that video and the first time I shower, it's like, oh my God, there was a lot of blood. We had to like wash off. It's not. It was remnants of the alcohol or whatever he put on before he put the needle in to drain me. It's like some kind of like alcohol kind of thing to keep everything like hygienic. And we only know that because after I went to that appointment, when I came home and we went to unwrap and go in the shower, I had it all over the white piece that I keep under here. And me and my husband were like, where am I bleeding from? Like, where is this blood coming from? And then my husband was like, I had my eyes shut the whole time during that appointment. Anytime they drain me, I keep my eyes closed. And my husband was like, oh no, that's not blood. That's from the alcohol that he rubbed on you. So I'm assuming the day I got the surgery done, this entire part of my body was covered in the alcohol to make sure that everything was clean and hygienic and that there's less chance of whatever. So the first time I showered, this whole area this entire thing was covered in red. It's like a faint red orange color, and it looks like dried blood. It was not dried blood. I just wanted to clarify that because I know how scary it is to think that you have blood all over you. You don't. There's like no blood at all. It's just, if you see anything like that, that's what that is. The only time I saw any blood was was the night before we got the drains out, which I think is in week 2 video or week 1. And I felt very tight in the wrap, and I wound up pulling, and I pulled like the drain a little bit, and there was blood there. And the next morning I got my drains removed. That was the only time I ever saw blood. And then when I got the drains removed that day, we came home, they put Band-Aids on, and they're like, you might see some blood come through. That's normal. And we did see a little bit of blood through like the Band-Aid that was on me. That's the only time I ever saw blood. I never saw blood on the incisions, and none of this was blood. Just want to clarify because I know I would be freaked out if I saw that. So, love you guys. Bye. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Today we're still in week 5. I think we're like 4 or 5 days into week 5, and I can finally get a shirt over my head, so I could like put something on over my head, which is amazing. So I've been doing that. I still have the compression underneath it, so you can kind of see the imprint of it. This is just a pajama shirt. I used the scar strips for the first time on myself and my husband, and I was so excited. We filmed like a little video putting it on my husband, and I wanted to like document the process. But when I had to take the scar strips off, first of all, I had them overlapping, so I didn't realize I cut them, and they were like overlapping like this here. And I went in the pool, and I got water under this one, the one that was like on top. And I don't know if it's because it wasn't adhered to the skin, it was overlapping. And so it kind of freaked me out. So I went to peel them off because I was like, I don't want to have water trapped in there. Like that would be worst case scenario. And when I went to peel them off, they were so sticky that it was like hard to get it off. And it just kind of freaked me out. So after going in the pool, after all that, so what I had done at that point was I took them off and I put, because we came in for lunch, I put sunblock on them, put my bathing suit back on, and we went outside and went in the pool. Then later on that night, this was yesterday, I went in the shower, and when I came out, I just did the Aquaphor because I had some more Aquaphor left, and I didn't put the scar strips on. Also, when I put the scar strip on, my skin wasn't completely smooth, and it was like creasing. I had like creases in my skin from the scar strips, like holding it in the creases, so you don't want that. But yeah, I overall was just kind of freaked out by the scar strips. I don't know. This is the one that I got. I don't know if it's the best one. It's from Amazon, so it's probably the worst one. It was also the cheapest, so it's probably not that great. But I'm going to talk to my doctor about it. I see them this week, so it'll be in this video, and I'm probably going to get drained again. I see them on Wednesday. So I don't know, I'm going to talk to them again and be like, what's going on? But those are really my only updates. Yesterday we moved like dirt in our backyard, and my husband was operating the machinery and I was raking. And so that's a lot, especially because it wasn't topsoil. It was really rocky like soil that we had. It was just like soil that we had in our backyard, and it was super rocky. And if you know raking, like try to like get through with like a metal rake, it's a lot of work on your body. And so I had to switch off from doing it this way to doing it this way, because I would feel it. It wouldn't hurt, but I was like, I don't want to push this too far. And when we were done, I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure I'm confident any workouts that I do, like actual workouts, would be fine, knowing that I just did that, like, and I was fine. And I'm fine today. I don't have any pain. I don't have any more fluid than what I had. I have a little bit on my right side, and maybe a drop on my left side. But yeah, and I did that in a bathing suit. I wasn't anything supportive because we were just like going in and out of the pool while we were doing it. So I did that all in a bathing suit, and yeah. So I just wanted to share that information. I can, again, lift things over my head, which I'm excited about. I have like full range. I mean, like I'm pretty confident. I'm good at this point. I remember the last time I went to the doctor, he said I can do anything, but I was just scared to work out. But also I don't want to end up injuring myself because I'm not allowing myself to have that flexibility and stuff. I don't have any more numbness that I know of. Maybe a little bit to the touch, but no burning at all. The burning sensation is completely gone. And everything feels like it's back to normal. I'm just healing at this point. So like healing what it actually looks like, I guess. Maybe some more on the inside. But just wanted to update you guys. I didn't have that many updates. Thank you for watching. And I am going to have the next doctor visit in this video. So we'll see if I get drained again or not. Or whatever they have to say about the scar strips and so on and so forth. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye. One more thing I forgot to add in. I'm totally sleeping on my sides at this point. I sometimes feel it where the incisions are for where the drains were. But for the most part, I sleep on my sides, I sleep on my back, I sleep any which way. I haven't slept on my front yet, but I definitely sleep on my sides, and I am a side sleeper. So that's been nice to like have my regular sleep bag. I still use the mastectomy pillow in bed. I still like start off on my back, and then in the middle of the night I wind up like tossing and like not tossing but turning to side, and I still have the mastectomy pillow on me, which is nice. I don't know, I just like the pillow. So that's it. Bye. Hey everyone, so today's the last day of week 5, so it's like week 5 is tomorrow, and I'm going to the doctor today. I think I have to get drained on this side, but it's not a lot. I just see like a little bit of fluid, but I really haven't been keeping you guys updated. So basically I feel like I have full mobility. I've been raking, carrying rocks, doing like yard work, and I've been totally fine. So I just wanted to say, if you're in the early stages of this and you feel like you want to push yourself to get to be like healed, give yourself time. Don't rush it. You will heal. You will heal, and you'll be able to do everything. Just give yourself time. Wait for your doctor's orders. Don't push it. Don't feel like you need to like be stretching earlier than you should or lifting earlier than you should. But yeah, I have like full range of motion everywhere, so full range. I still wear the compression, and yeah, I'll see if I still have to wear that after today's appointment, and yeah, I'll film once I come home from the doctor's today too, so that's in a little bit. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey, so I just got back from the plastic surgeon office. I did get drained one more time. Let me see if I can change the lighting in here. Maybe I'll just do it this way. Okay, that's like really sunny. Hold on. Okay, so I just came back from the plastic surgeon. I had to get drained on my right side. Only about 5 things of fluid came out. It was like nothing, and it didn't actually hurt. It was like numb. It was really weird. He said I no longer have to wear compression, so now I'm wearing a shirt of my choice. I'm so excited. And I can work out fully, and he also recommended me different scar strips because I was telling him how I didn't like the way the other ones felt when they were coming off. And so he recommended me different ones. So I'm going to have those in my Amazon affiliate link. I'm not going to ever have the ones that I didn't like in the Amazon affiliate link. I'm not going to have those in there. I'm only going to have the ones I like. They're way more expensive. But he said that they're like a really quality one. He actually like took my phone, went on Amazon and like did it, and like, so I know I got the right ones, and I just ordered them. So I will do a full video on those. Maybe I'll do a video on one versus the other. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. But yeah, so this is the end of this week. I'm really excited, and I have another appointment with him in September. Okay. I'm still gonna update you guys as like time goes, probably, maybe. We'll see. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.